Just so you know, yeah, prosecutor side, Ms. Cochran. Yeah. Healthy Families, Leslie Bond. Yeah. Yeah. CPS, those that are advocates for victimization and domestic violence. Um, the bar is where the attorneys sit. Yeah. The place where the victim and the defendant sit. Yeah. That's their place. Pooch. And as much as we want to invite anybody and anybody that's concerned about the physical welfare of the individuals, yeah, there are certain laws that make it a crime to sit there when you're not supposed to. Yeah. Now, as a respondent during this time, yeah, I was not served before the protection order was issued, violating the VAWA. Oh. Now, remove the protection order, yeah, and drop the charges. Now, let's see here. Image. Stan, I would suggest before this goes any farther, because I've talked to Kathy, an Attorney General's office in Washington State. Yeah. And she said I should just tell the judge I'm not happy at the legal representation. Yeah. That Bruce Hannafy has been providing. Yeah. I told Kathy, yeah, go across the street and remove the protection order. Yeah. I was at the Homeless Connect, Pooch, year 2016. Yeah. Kathy from the Attorney General of Washington State was there. Yes. Maybe Bob Ferguson. Oh, sorry! Now, I told her to go across the street. Yes. And remove the protection order. Well, Kathy and Bruce seem to be good friends. Oh! Now, why don't you get me the employees of each and every Attorney General's office? Yeah. In each state. Pooch. In fact, let's get that supercomputer going. Yeah. And get me the video of every court, yes, in the United States of America. I just want to know that little gate that you pass through when they call your name. Yeah. Paul C. Budnick, would you please approach the stand? Yeah. Exactly who is it allowed within that area right there? Because as I understand it, it's the parties named. Yeah. And the attorneys representing them. Now, it could be, okay, that somebody's completely forgotten about the authority of law. Yes, they have. Now, I'm going to sue Kathy right now. Now, get me Kathy at the Attorney General's office, State of Washington, Bob Ferguson. Now, your office? Yeah. I told Kathy, go across the street. Yes. Remove the protection order, and I want you to know, yes, that in that court, they're doing whatever they want. Now, I have emailed every oath of office in America. Well, maybe not all of them, yeah, but a good percentage of them for any one citizen to email. Oh, and every person in law enforcement, maybe not everybody, yeah, but a considerable number, enough to say that I emailed everybody in America. Ouch! Now, for the sheriff's departments, whoosh, is it such, yes, that you sit behind the bar or you sit in the audience waiting to be called? Now, for all of those in law enforcement that have been sitting in the bar section where the attorneys sit, yeah, did Sheriff Bill Benedict help himself to any seat he wanted in the House? Bill, could you tell me exactly where do the witnesses in trial sit? Yeah. Do they sit in the attorney section? Yeah. Do they sit where the judge sits? Or do they sit where the other witnesses wait to approach the jury stand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God. So help you God. Bill! When approaching the witness stand to testify during a trial, where does law enforcement sit? Help. And during hearings, when hearing the accusations of a crime, yeah, where does law enforcement sit? And Bill, would you say the Sequim Police Department was going to lie on the stand about me being in Sequim, Washington on December 31st, 2015? And Jefferson County Sheriffs, did you know I was making videos on June 16th, 2017? And was Sheriff Stanko going to lie on the stand that for sure that I was emailing people at Heidi Budnick's workplace? Exactly who was it going to lie on the stand? Well, somebody would have had to, yes, to get me convicted of the crime. Now, exactly what individual, yes, was going to get paid to have some sort of false testimony during a jury trial? Could have been a 60-day speedy. Could have been a 30-day speedy. Could have been a 16-month speedy. Could have been speedy after restoration because speedy told. Or exactly when did you plan on having a trial? Either one of these arrests. When did you want to